Hi student, that is 10th class mathematics. We are proceeding to exercise 5.3. We are taking some more questions. So let us start today's class. In exercise, that is lesson number 5th, exercise 5.3. So we are taking question 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. First 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So 6 12 18 and so we are taking a equal to 6, b equal to a2 minus a1 also equal to 6 and n equal to 40. Find the sum of, so Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus में n minus 1 into d. Using the formula here, put the value n equal to 40 and 2a becomes 6 and 40 minus 1 and this also be 6 here. So 2 consider, that is 20 and 12 plus में 240 minus में 6. So this becomes 20 into 246. After multiplication we get 0, 2, 9 and 2. We get an answers. We are taking question number 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. Sum of first 15 multiple of 8, that is 8, 16, 24 and so on. So a becomes 8, d equal to a2 minus a1, 16 minus 8 equal to 8 and n equal to 15. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus में n minus 1 into d. So n, that is 15 upon 2. 2a, 2 into 8 plus n, 15 minus 1 d, 8. So 15 upon 2 into 16 plus 120 minus 8. So 15 upon 2 into 128. 2 cancel, 2 6 are 2 4s are 15 into 64. After multiplication we get 15 4s are 60, 6 carry 26 19, 96 here. So we get an answers. Student, we are taking another question. Question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers lies between 0 and 50. So 1, 3, 5 and last run, that is 49. These are the odd numbers lies between 0 to 50 we get. So a equal to 1, d equal to a2 minus a1, 3 minus 1 that is 2 and an equal to 49. So we use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. we find out n, that is 49 equal to a 1 plus में n minus 1 into d 2. So 49 minus 1 n minus 1 into 2, that is 48. N minus 1 into 2, we divided by 2 here, we get 48 upon 2, that is 24. N equal to 24 plus 1, that is 25. So find out Sn. N by 2, a plus an. So n value find, that is 25.2. First term 1 and last term 49. So 1 plus 49 equal to 50, and we cancelled out 50 by 2, that is 25. 25 into 25, that is 625. We get an answers. At last we given some homework. So student, try to question number 15, 16, 17 and 18. So student, try these 4 questions. If any problems, you contact me. That is my today's class. Thanks a lot. Student, we are also taking question number 15, 16, 17, 18 given works here. So we are taking 15 questions. A contract on construction jobs, a penalty of the delay period, that is 200 on first day, and second day 250, and third day 300. So 50 more than for the preceding day. How much in 30 days? So n equal to 30, a equal to 200, and d equal to a2 minus a1. That is 250 minus 200 equal to 50. So find out Sn. In 30 total how much money the contractor has to pay the penalties to delay the 30 works. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus में n minus 1 into d. So Sn, S30 equal to 30 upon 2, 2a, that is 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into d, that is 50. So 2 cancelled out by 30, that is 15. And that is 400 plus 29 into 15. Also 15, 400 plus में, that is 0. And 5 9s are 40 by 4, that is 14. We add them, 15 into 1850, and after multiplication we get 0. 15 5s are 75, 15 8s are, that is 127. And 15 wins are 15, that is 27. We get an answers. So students, tries remaining 3 questions, 16, 17 and 18. That is my today's topics. Thanks a lot.